Every Notes app asks you one question the second you write something. Where do you want to put this? And that question is the problem. Because you are in the middle of a thought, and now you have to stop and pick a folder. So most of the time, you don't pick. You dump it somewhere and move on. And 2 months later, you got 400 of untitled notes and you cannot find anything. My friends, I think the fix is not a better folder system because you and I have tried that. The fix is not having to make that decision at all. So now, in this video, I will show you how to let AI organize your notes for you. Number 1. You don't have to choose a folder. Let the AI choose it for you. First, open Saner. Then click New. And here you can just write. For example, I could type in buy rental price has increased. Now is where the magic happens. You click Add to Smart, and here the AI will read the note and suggest 2 things. First, it suggests a folder that fit this content best. For example, bike shop operation. It also renamed the notes and put some relevant tags for me. Second, if I already have a note about existing bike rental price, it suggests I add this to that existing note instead of creating a new one. If I'm happy with the suggestion, I can just click Save. Now, notice what I did not do. I didn't name it, I didn't pick a folder, I didn't add a tag. The AI suggests all of that for me, and that's the whole point. But what if you already have 100 notes sitting in another app? What then? Your own notes are the messiest part, and you don't have to fix them by hand. First, you can import them in bulk to Saner. To do that, you click this arrow button here, then select Import. Saner can pull in your notes from Notion, Apple Note, Evernote, PDF, Obsidian, etc. First, you can pick your source, then you can select the folder, and after that, Saner keeps your existing folder structure and import them all into the app. But what if you don't have a folder structure to begin with? No worries, you can just ask the AI to build one for you. For example, here, you can see I have like dozens of untitled documents. And now I can just ask AI like, hey, rename the notes and put them into suitable folders for me, and hit send. The AI will read through every note and suggest new name plus a new folder structure to match it. Now, after around 30 seconds, you can see that the AI has suggested new folders, also new names for my notes. And if I'm happy with all of these suggestions, I can just click Apply, and everything is set. Yes, you can see it's changing. Now, for example, this is the new folder structure where all the untitled notes are created and put into these 3 new folders. Notice that I never drag a single note around. I never sat there stressing over where something should go. And that alone can save you hours compared to organizing by hand. Now, maybe you're thinking, but I don't want to organize my notes at all. Is that okay? Totally fine. You will still be able to find anything, anytime. Watch this. I'm typing to the AI, what did I say about price increase? And hit send. The AI searched through all my notes, emails, and finds the information for me. In just 5 seconds, it comes back with the answers, and every answer comes with a citation back to the original note, so I know it's not making anything up. Now you have it, the 3 steps of a self-organized notebook. First, just capture and the AI suggests where your notes goes. Second, import your own notes and the AI will organize them for you. Third, or you don't have to organize anything at all, just ask and it will find what you need. It's the AI era. You shouldn't have to stress over organizing your notes. Save that time for something more fun. Give it a try. It's free to start, and this will feel like magic. See you in the next video.